Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to take a look at the Litecoin, and I'll be taking a look at the Litecoin USD pair as well as the Litecoin BTC pair. So Litecoin is one of the 4 currencies that will be added to Paypal, and that's a huge deal. And this is why you see this run up from nearly $45 to $61. And even before the Paypal announcement, I mentioned that this white line that you see here, this is $63.5. This has acted as resistance in the past. You can see that we touched this resistance back in January 2020, and then again in March, then again in July, again in August, and as well in October. So this has been acting as resistance, and I've told in the previous videos as well, once we are able to surpass this resistance, once we are able to close above the resistance, the next major target is around $90. So what is happening is we see good volume, and unfortunately for Bitcoin dumping again, we are having some resistance at $63.5 or something. However, we are about to have we have good support at $54 now, which is good, and this is confirmed when you enable the Ichimoku cloud. So you can see that we have really good support at $55, and the moving averages of the Ichimoku clouds, they are also looking great. We're also above this white line that you see here. This is the 200-day moving average, so it is good to be over 200-day moving average, and it basically confirms that you are in the bull territory. So it is good to be above the 200-day moving average, and we are looking good. Last time we made this thing called moving average, or not moving average, head and shoulder. So we had this head and shoulder pattern made, and due to that the Litecoin crashed heavily. So is it different this time? We'll see, but keep an eye on this very support, because if we close below this support, which is $55.1, it can get catastrophic for Litecoin, because we may go down. If you go down, we have good support at $45, and obviously the 200-day moving average is also going to act as support, which is currently at $48.47. Let's go to the weekly view real quick. On the weekly, also let me change this to 20-day moving average, because that's what you use on a weekly basis. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that we are above the 20-day moving average, which is at around $50.65. This is good, and we are also getting support from this blue and red line here you see here. So this is also going to act as support. If you're under these moving averages, they are going to act as resistance, and this is what they have done in the past. You can see that here as well. But if you're able to close above these moving averages, nice things happen, because they now are acting as, guess what, support. So keep an eye on this, and we have heavy resistance at $90. This is confirmed by the Ichimoku cloud outline, the border of Ichimoku cloud that you see here, $91. So it is going to act as heavy resistance. However, it is totally possible that we may see a consolidation rally here till January, or maybe in November, and then we can break to the upside like that. It is totally possible. The coins often do this. The MACD is looking bullish. This is good. So overall, Litecoin USD pair is good. Corrections may happen, because we had a huge rally from $45 to nearly $61. So we may hang around in this area between $45 to $60 or something before we make the move to the upside. Okay, so let's take a look at the Litecoin BTC pair. This basically tells you how the Litecoin is performing against Bitcoin. So the Litecoin BTC pair, we are still below the 20-day moving average that you see here, but there's a huge potential that we may break to the upside, because the moving averages of the Ichimoku cloud, the red and blue line, they are about to have a cross, and we can see bullish divergence in the making. So keep an eye on this. It's still in the accumulation zone, I would say. Let's take a look at the monthly. It gives us a wider view. The MACD clearly shows that the sellers are losing the battle, and we may flip to the green side on the MACD, which shows that a huge bump is coming for Litecoin in the coming months. So here you can see the major resistance is at 0.006 right now, and the moving average 20 is at around 0.007. So these are going to act as a resistance in the long term. So on the daily time frame, the area 0.0043 is going to act as resistance. You can see that yesterday as well, the outline of this cloud, HMO cloud, acted as resistance. So keep that in mind. And you can see that we had a nice upward rally to the upside, and we were actually able to close above. We were able to close inside this cloud on the 25th of October, but unfortunately the rally failed the next day when we closed below this cloud and it acted as resistance. And let's see what Litecoin does in the coming days or so. If we make higher lows, I'll be still bullish on the Litecoin. So USD pair is looking much better than the BTC pair, but we may see huge potential. We may see huge rise to the upside in the coming days or so. So that's all about it. Hope you liked my video. Give us a like and share with your friend if you liked it, if they're into Litecoin, because I know a ton of people are into Litecoin right now. So that's all about it. Hope you liked my video, and share, subscribe for more cryptocurrency, ICO news, and price analysis. Bye bye.